Well, I've been trying to film these this evening, and like I said, there are cubs flying around all over the place. But I'm kind of hoping that I think I may have seen Oliver, and I haven't seen him for over a week. So, and there goes another cub flying around at the back. But it's got Titch's attention. Titch is going to investigate. Daisy wants to know what's going on as well. So I've got a feeling they're all on my decking because Mum's down as well.